Hello, Rafael. My name is Viviana Olaya. Welcome to this video. I want to share with you some information that you might find relevant to actually boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. The only thing that I am asking in return is for your feedback. So let's start with this. I am looking at your website. This is the front page, and I can see that you have a click to call button, the menu in the header, which is good. Perhaps there's a picture missing here. Um, the description of the company, a very nice picture over here, the services that you provide, mm, the reason why people should work with you, and then the footer with the contact details as well. So a few things that you could do, probably add, well, seems like you have Instagram, maybe other links to your other social media accounts if you have them. Um, Add a picture here and have a contact us form over here, and you will also need a little bit more content. Right now you are around 303 words, and if I look at your competitors, these guys, Southern Botanical, they have 401 words, and Landscape Design, they have 484 words. And content and the amount of content is important because the more content you have, you're able to push through more relevant keywords. A good spot for Google to be in is between 1,500 and 2,000 words because Google wants to see content and because it is easier for Google to determine what the website is about if the websites have the relevant information and the relevant content. So what I mean by that is that you could have buyer intent keywords, basically what people type in when they want to consume your services, and sprinkle your front page and your website with those buyer intent keywords. Now, the first section that you will see in the Google Organic Search is this section here, is the Google Ads, and they are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. Now, the second section is the Google Map Tag. This section drives 30 to 40% of the traffic and is having a massive impact on businesses. To rank at the top, you need geotag pictures, optimized pictures in terms of size. You need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, not competitors, with your customers. So you also want to post, make Google posts, reply to the questions that your potential customers may have. And you also need something that we call citations, which is where your business is listed on a directory, and the details, the name, the address, and the phone number need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify them. Now, the third section is what we call the Google Organic Search. And to rank at the top, first, your website needs to have the right and the relevant content. And you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. I am looking right now at your website. And in here, I can see that you have 106 backlinks, or basically 106 links in 20 external websites that are pointing towards yours. And the reason for that is because this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the more relevant depending on the type of search that users are performing. If I look at your competitors, these guys, Southern Botanical, they have 1,960 backlinks in 319 referring domains, and Bonique Landscaping, these guys, or they have 3,370 backlinks in 640 external websites. So there's a little bit of an opportunity there to strengthen and build this backlink profile, and ideally to have those backlinks sitting on websites that are relevant to the services that you provide so that you can signal to Google that you are an authority in these topics. Now, the most interesting topic or section is the keywords. So your website is being found for 16 organic keywords. And in here, I can see what those keywords are. The search volume is the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and then the position is in which position you are appearing in the Google Organic Search. So anything beyond the 10th, 11th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, so you are not able to drive too much traffic to your website. So if I look at these guys, Southern Botanical, they are being found for 1,600 words, and I highlighted some of those keywords here. So they have the buyer intent keywords. So for example, landscaping Dallas has a search volume of 1,500, Dallas landscaping 350, Dallas landscaping services or 60, so that's a little bit close to 2000. Residential landscape Dallas 50. So that's between those four keywords, it's close to a search volume of 2000 times per month. That's the number of times this website was in front of potential customers, and a percentage of those potential customers click out and ended up in their website. Another percentage reach out to them, and then another percentage actually call them, and they were able to land and convert into customers. You can see here these guys, for example, landscape in Dallas, the search volume is 1,500, and they're in the fourth position, and because of that they were able to drive close to 10% of the traffic. So that's the whole point of increasing traffic, because more traffic translates into more revenue and the growth of your company. So if you like what you saw on this video, please feel free to use it and implement it on your own. I also welcome the opportunity to give me feedback. Let me know what parts did you like the most and which ones do you think are the most useful. I would also love to hear from you and your digital marketing journey. Thank you so much for watching. My contact details are at the bottom of the email. Thank you so much. Bye bye.